As today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Turbotax app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down. You keep going down here. Just click here on apps. You come to apps list here and then you're looking for Turbotax app. Or just click on search. Then here at Turbotax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to next step here. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store here. Click on it. So then here you search for Turbotax. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.